Company motto, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Go.
Cherish the
Cherish the
spirit.
Create
Create the vision. Follow the faith. Serve in humility. Aja. Yan. Happy Easter, everyone! Salamat sa napakagandang energy. Okay? So bago tayo pumunta sa ating pinaka-main topic sa mga baguhan, ito po yung ating guiding principle sa ating Atomy. So just embrace the company motto. And let's listen to our company profile. More than 6 minutes lang to, and let's share our Facebook Live to our members, family members, loved ones, at sa lahat. Okay? Let me know if you can hear it.
The company that has remained steadfast and kept the right principles. The company headed toward the world with the right principles. The company that grows with its customers and shares generously. We are Atomy. Atomy, which has been growing ever since its establishment in 2009, is a global network marketing company with a presence across the globe. Atomy's #1 goal of going beyond customer satisfaction to customer success continues to be its top priority to this day. Providing good quality products at reasonable prices, Atomy's competitiveness lies in the nature of distribution. The absolute quality and absolute price product philosophy that Atomy has practiced since its inception is included in all of its products, such as health functional foods, beauty, living, food, fashion, home appliances, and more. Atomy Hemohim surpassed 2 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales, ranked #1 in domestic health functional food exports. Developed as part of a national project by the Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, Hemohim holds 23 international patents and made history in 2023 by being the first in the country to offer dual health benefits, immune boost and fatigue relief. Absolute Cell Active Skincare, a flagship product, has surpassed 1 trillion Korean won in cumulative sales. It received the King Sejong Award from the Korean Intellectual Property Office, a first in cosmetics, and was named a world-class product for next generation by the Ministry of Trade, Industry and Energy. Atomy prioritizes customers, earning customer-centered management certification for 3 consecutive years, a rare industry feat. Since opening its US branch in 2010, Atomy has grown into a global hub, linking producers and consumers worldwide through 27 branches in Asia, South America, Oceania, and Europe. Atomy products have proven highly popular in international markets, topping exports in health functional foods and over-the-counter medications. Following the $300 million Export Tower Award, the company's total exports reached 1.8 billion in 2024. After launching its EU branch, Atomy plans to expand globally, focusing on Africa, Central and South America, and other emerging markets. Atomy's GSGS strategy, which stands for Global Sourcing Global Sales, allows the supply of products that align with the absolute quality and absolute price philosophy through Atomy's global sales network. Atomy's success system, in which the company runs all seminars, allows any member to succeed regardless of individual atomy. This is the driving force behind Atomy's distinctive growth. Success seminars that bridge online and offline realms vividly communicate Atomy's vision to members worldwide, presenting a vision of global success that goes beyond time and space by merging business and culture. The ACT project has been initiated to cultivate global leaders and empower active members around the world. Atomy continues to provide unwavering support for success, including the reopening of Songnisan Forest as a hub for the Atomy brand experience. To achieve absolute quality and absolute price, and to ensure commitment to quality from its partners, Atomy provides various support measures for partnering companies such as cash payment within 1 week from delivery, interest-free operating fund loans, and joint quality management systems, among others. These create a culture of accompanied growth. Atomy is implementing various policies to ensure sustainable coexistence with the Earth. The company promotes resource recycling and environmental restoration through product renewals aimed at zero plastic initiatives, increasing the use of biodegradable plastics and eco-friendly materials, and introducing smart packaging solutions. Atomy's contributions surpass not only its industry and the distribution sector, but also stand at the top level nationally. Over the past 3 years, the company's donation percentage relative to revenue has been 30 times that of the distribution industry, ranking first among Korea's top 500 companies. As a result, it has earned various government awards and certifications, including the Government Award for Sustainable Management, Good Donor Award, Family Friendly Company, and Great Place to Work Korea. Atomy's culture of sharing has expanded beyond national borders, with the company, members, partner companies, and executives actively engaging in social contribution activities worldwide. The company that holds true to its principles while creating a new distribution culture. The company expanding globally with the trust of people around the world. The company that dreams of customer success while moving beyond customer satisfaction. The company that cherishes the spirit. We are Proud Atomy.
Yan po ang ating 2026 company profile. So, ulit-ulitin nating panoorin para mas makilala nyo si Atomy. Okay. Ako po si Diamond Master Relin Pilapil Minorca, the CEO of Marinduque Global Center. Ayan. Ano nga ba yung CEO na yan? But today our topic is Roadmap to Success. Okay. Anong ginawa nyo last week? Ako busy sa panonood ng BTS. Okay, so sikat na sikat ang K-pop culture, Korean drama. Yeah, may mga nanonood na Netflix, Korean drama. But tonight I wanted to share something simple. I'm inspired by the BTS group. Kilala nyo ba yung BTS? Kung hindi, i-YouTube nyo na lang or i-Google search nyo kung sino si BTS. Kasi ang BTS group, they started with nothing. Okay? Hindi sila actually mga singers talaga, but they auditioned to be an idol. And then this time, number one lahat ng kanilang kanta sa Billboard 100 and 200. So, kakabalik lang nila kasi ang last concert nila was 2022 and then they came back. Kala mo naman kilala ko, no? But kidding aside, kakakilala ko rin lang sa kanila. Ang nakakatawa, I have a friend who likes BTS so much. Sabi ko, ano ba naman to? Baliw na baliw to. Kaibigan ko na to sa BTS. Without me knowing na this year, at year 2026, ngayon ko palang madidiscover si BTS na, maganda pala. Maganda ang plataforma nila. Maganda ang hikain nila para sa mundo. So, I'm crazy about BTS this time. But of course, I'm crazier about Atomy. Okay? So, kagaya ng BTS, ang BTS nagsimula sa wala, but then, through practice and persistence, they became global. So, I'm not encouraging you to watch, but if you happen to watch, ayan, available sa Netflix. Okay? And, initial great news para sa Atomy family, of course, we have our newest Imperial Master from China. Okay? It is a very powerful milestone para sa Atomy kasi ang China, hindi siya unang nag-start. Ang Atomy nag-start ng 2009 and we have 16 Imperial Masters from Korea. There are some posting na number 18 Imperial Master siya, but on my count, I think he is 17. So, sige, we'll go for 18th Imperial Master. I have to confirm, but it's either 17th or 18th Imperial Master. Okay? And ano nga ba ang privilege ng Imperial Master sa Atomy? So, bibigyan siya ng ganyang plaque, bibigyan siya nung yung malaking swan na pin sa kanilang sa kanilang katawan, yung nandito sa dibdib, I mean. And then they receive almost $1 million na nakasakay sa crate. Bibigyan siya ng sariling driver, ng luxury car, may sariling office, and then of course, the Imperial Master Office. So ilan lang yon sa mga benefits ng Imperial. And of course, yung daily commissions, kung ilang million man points pumapasok sa left and sa right, maximum commission niya on a daily basis is up to $1,200. Kahit pa mag-match yan ng 50 million is to 50 million or kahit pa 400 million is to 400 million, may cap kasi may ceiling kay Atomy. $1,200 daily lang ang pwedeng commission. But on top of that, he can receive a mastership commission twice a month. Okay? Kung ano man yung mastership na ma-achieve niya. Kung laging Imperial, then laging may Imperial Mastership bonus. So, yun lang yung ibang perks. So, if you will start Atomy this time, hindi pa huli ang lahat. If it will take you 7 years, kagaya niya, or if it will take you 10 years, 16 years, or 20 years, hindi na masama. Okay? And imagine the stadium na kung saan ginanap yung kanyang promotion. Sobrang dami nila. O, 'di ba? Sobrang dami. Sana tayo din sa Pilipinas kapag ka nagkaroon ng Imperial, yung ano bang pinakamalaking arena sa atin? Araneta Coliseum ba? Or yung nasa may papuntang Bulacan? Hindi ko alam pangalan. Or sa MOA ba? Igaganapin ang ating Imperial Master. I forgot to put the picture, but we also have in the Philippines the newest Star Master, Star Master Lisel Valle. Congratulations po. Okay, so our chairman, Hangul Park, gave the pin to him. So siya ang kauna-unahang global na Imperial Master kasi the rest is galing sa Korea. And kay Atomy, we have the Atomy Success Club. So mag-start ka sa Auto Sales Mastership. Okay? Nandiyan pa lang ako sa Auto Sales Master. And then we have Leaders Club. Our sponsor, Star Master Joseph Ann and Teresa Ann, is part of the Leaders Club. Okay, kumikita ng 4 million and above in the whole year. Okay? And then our Royal Master Yu Suk Song is part of the Royal Leaders Club na kumikita ng more than $200,000 per year. Okay, yan yung conversion. Pero since US account sila, yun yung kanilang income dito sa Amerika. And we have the Crown Leaders Club with the annual salary of more than $400,000 in a year. Okay, so anong club kayo gusto nyo mag-join? Okay, I wanna join the Imperial Master Club. Okay, yung sunod niyan. And we can all be an Imperial Master if you believe. Sabi ni Chairman Hangul Park sa kanyang lecture sa Virginia the last time I met him, words over matter. Our tongue has the power. Yung lahat ng nilalabas ng dila mo or sinasabi mo can come true. So be careful sa sinasabi nyo. Once you say it, it will come true. Okay? And me and SM Ping, di ba? Parang buddy-buddy na lang kami ni Chairman Hangul Park the last time we met him. Kasi napaka-humble niya. So let's be inspired with our Chairman Hangul Park. And another great news sa ating CEO, the World Federation Direct Selling Association will be hosted yung conference nila sa Korea. So, kung hindi nyo pa nabibisita ang South Korea, make sure you visit. Halos lahat papunta sa Korea, no? K-pop, concert, pati direct selling, iba-ibang company nandun. So, we are so lucky that our chairman also has been #1 CEO in the last consecutive years. Makikita niyo sa Time Magazine, Fortune Magazine. Yan. Okay. Sa Korea Success Academy, thousands of people would attend kasi we have multiple locations sa Korea kung saan ginaganap ang ating Success Academy. So if you get a chance sa YouTube, sa replay, or via Facebook, make sure na panoorin nyo. This is actually the longest training, yung Success Academy. But also at the same time, very inspiring. So kung nanood kayo last month ng ating Korea Success Academy, I bet ang dami yung natutunan. Also in different countries, the leaders, the chairmans, ayan, nagta-travel sila. So take advantage lalo na kung malapit sa lugar nyo. Okay, kung 1 hour drive lang, you're so lucky, okay? Some leaders would be driving 7 hours. Some leaders would be driving 4 hours. Sometimes we even have to fly just to join the Success Academy. So kung malapit and you can join, I do encourage you to participate sa Success Academy. So bakit nga ba Atomy? Why Atomy? Ang sa akin is, why not? Atomy is, once you join Atomy and once you have a global ID, ibig sabihin, yung ID mo registered na to all the global members, global countries na meron si Atomy. So right now, we have more than 100 countries na pwedeng mag-register. Okay? So we have 27 online shopping mall. Within Europe, we have 32 other countries na pwedeng mag-commission, mag-cashback. So that means with your global ID, you are the owner of your own business. $1 billion business na walang puhunan, walang inventory, walang puhunan, walang auto shipping. Okay, but you can have consumers around the globe. So konti na lang mapupuno na natin ng kulay blue ang buong mundo. We follow the global sourcing, global sales. Ibig sabihin, Atomy can only distribute the best, not the best, the absolute product na magmamatch ng ating principle. Absolute quality and absolute price. So kung hindi maganda ang kalidad ng kahit na anong product, hindi pwedeng pumasok sa online shopping mall ni Atomy. Kaya maganda mag-shopping sa ating online shopping mall. Kasi alam mo na, napakaganda ng kalidad. So you just have to be a wise consumer kasi kung talagang maganda, then be a passionate and lover of the Atomy products. Kung ayaw mo, then Atomy is not for you. Ganun lang po kasimple, walang pilitan. Another strategy is we have the Mastige strategy. Pangmasa ang presyo pero ang kalidad ay napakaganda. So, kalidad Glorieta, pero presyong Divisoria. Okay. Ngayon, di ko na nga sinasabing presyong Divisoria. Well, because I believe that the Atomy products is a very luxurious product. So, ang sinasabi ko, only those who know what is luxurious would know the value of the Atomy product. So, kahit pa yung ibang branded product, I will not buy them. Kasi, alam ko mas maganda si Atomy. We have a very righteous compensation plan and towards the end, we have a very great news about the righteous compensation plan. Wala na talaga akong masabi kay Atomy. Hands down, lahat na lang ibinigay sa members para talagang maging successful tayo. And most of all, libre. Wala kang babayaran. But we enjoy the unlimited binary downlines and unlimited accumulation of PVs and savings. Take note, these are only applicable for those who are registered as a distributor or as an agent. So, ibig sabihin, during the registration, you have submitted a TIN ID, okay? Or sa ibang bansa, they have submitted kung ano man yung tax identification number equivalent like Social Security, SIN, business number, kung sa ibang countries. As long as you chose to register as a distributor or as an agent, you are qualified na mag-accumulate ng unlimited points galing sa lahat ng member mo at member ng member ng member ng member ng member mo, unlimited line. Ibig sabihin, hindi tumitigil sa 7th level. So kahit pang 1 milyong member na yan, basta nasa ilalim mo, aakyat at aakyat ang points, hindi lang sa isa, kundi sa lahat ng linya, sa lahat ng line, or sa lahat ng members na nasa same line, na naka-register as a distributor. Okay? So mga hindi pa naiintindihan ko ano yung unlimited na yan, we can do a one-on-one training kasi napakaganda ng point system ni Atomy. And of course, we have the 3rd generation inheritance. So, kung walang anak, walang apo, wag mag-alala. I-fill up lang ang form, legal forms to make sure na maipamana up to the 3rd generation. So, kung walang anak, ibig sabihin, once you're gone, pwedeng may magmana kung sino man yung naka-designate. And then whoever that person, pwede pa uling ipamana ng isa pang beses. So, This time I'm 48 ba ako? I'm 48. So let's say 48, I'm still living up to my 100 years old, so 50. So 50 years ko pa magagamit si Atomy. And then after that, may magmamana. Kung bata pa sila, they would live another 50 years and then another 50 years. So this is a business made more than 100 years. So kung auto sales master income times 1, oh my God, sulit na sulit. Walang kasayang-sayang. A true opportunity for passive income. Okay, sabi ni Warren Buffett, kapag hindi ka nakahanap ng isang business or ng isang oportunidad na kumikita ka habang natutulog, then you will work for the rest of your life. Okay, so sana makita nyo rin na this vision ng Atomy ay isang oportunidad na pwedeng gamitin para makaretire ng maaga at magkaroon ng passive income. And of course, we have the absolute success system. Ano nga ba yung success system na yan? Well, we have one-day seminar, Success Academy, Zoom meeting like this. We have different regional meetings. Ayan, mag-participate lang para mas madaling matutunan. Okay, so how to start in doing this business? Simple lang. Memorize your global ID. Siguro naman kayang gawin yon or isulat sa inyong notebook. Kung may notebook, sabi ko laging magkaroon ng notebook para sa consumers, notebook para sa lecture, at saka notebook para sa 8-core daily habits. So memorize your global ID. Know your password. Protect your password. Okay? Sa mga baguhan nakaka-join lang, magpaturo sa inyong sponsor kung paano mag-create ng quick link para kahit hindi mo pa natatry lahat ng products ni Atomy, once na may natry ka, you can easily share that link. Ano sasabihin? Uy, may natry akong product, napakaganda. Here's the link to create your free account. Okay? And then make sure you verify your account and add bank details para tapos na yan, hindi mo na po problemahan next time. Okay? Magpasa na kaagad ng TIN ID, ilagay yung bank details para pag pumasok si income, after a week, nandun na kaagad sa bangko mo. Hindi na maghihintay. Okay? I know somebody na it took more than a month, tapos hindi namin alam yung kung anong kulang sa verification, pero nung na-accumulate, grabe, ilan na yun? $460 times 50. Ilan na yun? Ang laki na, di ba? Naipon na kaagad within the first 3 months. Ito ang itsura ng ating Atomy Shop. And so, install the Atomy Shop app. Kasi yung quick link, it will allow you to register. But to shop, make sure you go to the Atomy Shop app or sa website, ph.atomy.com. Okay. Our old website is atomy.com/ph, pero gumagana pa rin yan. It would direct you to the new website, ph.atomy.com. And if you're new, we all have different website for each country. So, magpapalit lang yung first 2 letters na nakikita nyo sa screen. So, USA would be us.atomy.com. Japan would be jp.atomy.com. Korea would be KR. Canada would be CA. Ayan, okay. Mexico, I think, is MX. So, switch nyo lang and learn how to do it para kung may bago kayong member, alam nyo na kung ano yung direct website. Singapore is SG. Okay. And if you have the access to the Atomy Shop app, you also have the access to these different apps. Except Atomy Mobile, kasi yan yung old app natin. It has been changed to Atomy Shop. I think all the countries have transitioned to the new website. So, hindi na siguro gumagana itong Atomy Mobile. It would direct you to the Atomy Shop app. But of course, if you have the access, you have access to the Gmall. Ito yung ibang app na pwede nyo i-download. But as long as you have the Atomy Shop app, you also have to access to the rest of the other app. Yung at Gmall, Channel Atomy, Atomy Ticket, and then the personal platform. Okay. So let's watch this video. I hope it's going to work. If not, I found this sa YouTube pero nasa Channel Atomy din to. This is from Atomy Oceana official YouTube channel. So let's all watch the marketing plan of Atomy. Ay, ayaw ba? Okay.
You're travelling on a Tuesday and check your phone to see that you've just been paid. This is possible through passive income. How is it possible? All done through Atomy. no member fees, no hidden maintenance fees. All you need is to continue buying your daily necessities. For example, after using the Atomy toothbrush and toothpaste daily, share how great the products are with your friends and family. It's as simple as that. Atomy's general commission is based on a point value system called PV. Every product you purchase from Atomy, you earn PV. And when you share them with your friends and family, they're distributed below your line, possible with Atomy's binary system. Say, for example, when your mum and your best friend each buy daily necessities from Atomy, they accumulate PV, and those PV will be considered as your group PV. This is where you can start earning money. To start earning money, you will have to accumulate 10,000 PV to become a member, and your left and right legs need to accumulate a minimum of 300,000 PV. Once you meet the minimum requirements, boom, you'll earn your first paycheck, all through using and sharing Atomy products. But don't worry, your points will continue to accumulate even if you haven't reached 300,000 PV on your smaller leg. So you don't have to worry about your group PV being flushed out. Don't worry, we'll wait. So as your mother and friends share with more people, all of the generated PV will be included in your group, making it easier for you to complete your matching. The possibilities are endless, as you can share with anyone in the world. In Atomy, earning money is as simple as sharing. The gate to economic gain is wide open for you. With each PV you gather, you'll be allocated points, and from there you unlock higher earnings through bonuses and commissions. It's that easy. In Atomy, points equals money. Your scores are calculated daily. Then, the scores from Wednesday to the following Tuesday are totalled, for payment to be discussed on the coming Tuesday. Easy to say, you'll get a paycheck every Tuesday. More points equals higher scores, which equals higher payouts. Not enough? Don't worry, there's more. In Atomy, there's a mastership bonus based on your mastership level, making your payout larger every time you manage to accumulate a larger group PV. For example, to become a sales master in Atomy, you need to gather 700,000 in personal PV and generate 2.5 million group PV within a cycle across both your left and right legs. Reaching this rank earns you rewards like Evening Care Set and Absolute Set. This is the way for Atomy to celebrate your achievements within the community. On average, a sales master earns between $1,500 and $2,000 a month. Spectacular scenes await you when you reach the ranking of an auto sales master. It's a straightforward path to a passive income between...
Clarification lang, we have the change in the marketing plan. We are no longer giving those products for newly promoted sales master. Instead, for the Philippines, you will get a one-time promotion gift of additional 20,000 pesos on top of the commission and the mastership bonus.
$18,000 and $25,000 per year. The ASM ranking is just the start of your 5-figure income realm. As you climb the 7 ranks, you'll unlock even greater passive income and lavish rewards designed to reward you with your determination and hard work. Along the journey, Atomy will always be there to reward you with the incredible heights you achieve with incredible cash bonuses, starting with $1,000 for Diamond Masters, $2,500 for Sharon Rose Masters, and $12,000 for Star Masters, $60,000 for Royal Masters, and $400,000 for Crown Masters. And at the peak, look forward to a $1,200,000 cash reward when you ascend to an Imperial Master. This can all be yours when you make your way to the top. And with Atomy's special ceiling cap, everyone has a fair chance at success. The beauty of Atomy resides in a communal effort. Success impossible as an individual becomes possible as a team. Thanks to the growing number of colleagues, everyone can reach a higher income at Atomy. So, what's stopping you from travelling the world without a single concern, whilst earning a healthy passive income, all through sharing absolute quality products at absolute prices with your friends and family? In Atomy, we share, we earn, we grow together.
Yes, in Atomy, we share, we earn, we grow together. Okay, so that previous marketing plan is specific for Oceania or Australia and New Zealand. Okay, Another checklist, make sure you friend request key leaders. So, I'm a Diamond Master. So, kung pakilala ako ng new member nyo or ng sponsor nyo, and I'm your Diamond Master, please do request a message for me. There would possibly a delay bago ko kayo i-add. I need to make sure na kayo talaga yon, or I have to see your face, or at least makausap ko kayo. Or if someone nakakilala ko, talagang in-add kayo at kayo talaga yon, okay? Sponsor, not they, the rest of the leaders na makikita nyo sa screen, they're not my direct sponsor. Just got to know them through a Zoom meeting like this. So, DM Doc says, Auto Sales Master, DM Sunny Fincher. I just happen to know them kasi nakilala ko sila through Zoom meeting with SRM Gerard and SRM Ralin. And then our Atomy Atlanta center head na sa Teresa Ann and Joseph Ann, Star Master, nakilala ko din lang sila through a Zoom meeting. But then of course, attending Zoom meeting like this, nung nag-a-attend ako ng Auto Sales Master workshop and then Success Academy, I get to see most of them. Okay? Ito si Crown Master Jason Shem. Okay? Lagi na namin nang nakikita. Medyo, hindi naman ako sawang-sawa. But of course, parang ordinary, pero pag minsan, pag tinitingnan ko yung picture, parang, napaka-lucky ko pala na kakilala ko sila. But of course, we will be luckier na makilala mo na sa Zoom. Pero pag nakita mo in person, parang ang tagal nyo na magkakilala. Akala nyo magkapamilya na kayo. Yung pala sa Zoom lang talaga kayo nagkikita. So, that's one great thing sa Atomy. Okay. Another part ng inyong checklist, make sure you navigate your website and then shop and learn through your Atomy Shop app. Okay, napakaganda ng ating website. Lahat nandyan. For the specific marketing plan and specific conversion, kung magkano yung commission nyo or bonus nyo, yan, makikita nyo yan sa app nyo. So, globalatomy.com is the company's main website. Channelatomy.com has the videos, okay, lahat ng videos, lahat ng replay ng ating mga training na sponsored ni Atomy. Okay, next. Bakit kailangan i-check niyo yung website para hindi kayo nahuhuli sa balita, okay? I'm sorry and I apologize sa lahat na na-expire at na-deactivate. Due to updates, lahat ng previously, ang Philippines, kahit the day before pa the expiration, you can actually buy products. This time, hindi na. Supposedly, April 7, 2 a.m., ma-deactivate yung mga members. I have one member na made a purchase for April 6. I look again at this morning, expired pa rin yung account niya. Kasi our policy is, if you did not make any purchase from, let's say nag-register ka ng March or last purchase mo was last March 2025. At the end of the month ng March, at hindi ka nag-purchase ulit ng kahit isang product, you will be deactivated. So since yung member na yon hindi nag-purchase in the last 12 months ng kahit na isang produkto, mati-terminate. Okay? Kasi hindi ka naman loyal consumer. So, anong impact na sa mga business builder at sa mga business owner o sa mga gusto o na ginagawa talaga na business si Atomy? Make sure you buy one product at least na once a year na may point value para hindi ma-deactivate. Okay? So, always check your app para makita yung announcement na to. So, pag nag-login sa app, per ganito, isang screen, is-swipe sa left lang para mabasa lahat. This is the customer service ng Atomy Philippines. Pag may issue, wag awayin si sponsor, okay? Awayin niyo si Philippines, Atomy Philippines. Kung may reklamo sa products, itanong kay Atomy Philippines. Ito yung email. You can also call their number. So make sure nasa speed dial niyo siya. Kasi kung may problema sa produkto, let's say dumating sa inyo, sira, just take a picture ng box and then i-email kay Atomy. Okay? The last time I lost my product, I emailed Atomy na hindi ko na-receive yung product, and they sent back the products to me. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa products, but still I received my products. Okay? Take note of the Atomy seminar schedule na available sa Atomy Philippines. We have a lot para sa Pick-up Center, which is in Quezon City. Imagine, members training every Monday. We have Roadmap to Success every Wednesday. Every Friday, we have the Atomy Showcase Day. Every Thursday, we have the one-day seminar. Lahat po yan libre. Okay? Every first Monday of the month, we have the Good Morning Atomy na via Facebook Live and YouTube. I sent the link. Kung hindi nyo napanood, make sure panoorin nyo para naman ma-inspire kayo. Kasi iba-ibang training. Okay. This is the Atomy Best Kit sa Philippines. Okay, starting March 7 until supplies last. Bakit maganda bumili ng mga promotion ni Atomy? Kasi mas mataas yung points. So sa mga nagcha-challenge, you can actually buy this. Instead of you getting 269,000 points, just buying this particular set give you additional points para maging 300,000. So if you are working with your sponsor, kung ito yung bibilhin mo, imagine, you can get a cashback of 2,200 to 2,475. Depende sa palitan ng peso and Korean won. So, may iba bang tindahan na nagbibigay ng ganong discount? Wala, no? Si Atomy lang. Kaya masarap mag-shop kay Atomy. And then we have the Korea Success Tour sa Songnisan Forest. This coming May 12 to 16. Next tour will be in October. So, we are determined, our team is determined, challenging na hopefully magkita-kita tayo sa Korea this October. I remember the first time I joined the Korea Success Tour was April, let me see kung matandaan ko yung date. April 2023. Yan, April 2023. At that time, wala pa tayong hotel. Previously, nangangarap lang si Atomy na magkaroon ng credit card, magkaroon ng hotel, magkaroon ng airline, ng bus, lahat na, okay? But those dreams are slowly coming through kasi dati, ang Atomy, kung hindi nyo alam ang Atomy, walang office, nasa A4 paper lang na sign, tapos wala tayong sariling sasakyan. Pero kung makarating kayo sa Korea, makikita nyo ang Atomy Park. Napakaganda. It's truly a park inside. Pwede ka mag-slide from third floor to the first floor. Okay? Parang naglalaro lang. Napakaganda ng ating Atomy Park. And this time, we have the Songnisan Forest. Hindi pa ako nakarating dito. They just opened it last year. So, it's a great opportunity to learn the Atomy business. Kasi kapag kasama ka sa isang Korea Success Tour, lahat yon is sponsored ni Atomy, yung Monday to Saturday, lahat, pati pagkain, board and lodging, tama ba? Yan, sagot ni Atomy. Airfare, ikaw ang responsible dun sa airfare. But the rest ng stay mo sa Atomy, Songnisan Forest, is sagot ni Atomy. Okay. I woke up at 2 a.m. At 2 a.m. kasi nasa US pa ako at this time. Kasi Atomy Philippines made a meeting about the new marketing plan. And doon sa mga gustong mag-join mamaya, USA will have a meeting about the new marketing plan. So if you want to join, it's 2 a.m. in the Philippines. If you want to join the USA meeting, it will be 2 p.m. here in America. Pero sa new marketing plan, your point value, okay, your personal point value can be added dun sa smaller leg para i-count as commission. Okay, napakaganda. Kasi dati, to make a commission, your account need to have, kung 10,000 lang, di ba? Kung 10,000 yung personal point mo, tapos may 300,000 sa left, 300,000 sa right side, you get 800 pesos. If you have 300,000 points on your account as an agent, tapos nag-pairing na 300,000 sa left, 300,000 points sa right side, you get how much? 2,475 each time na mag-pair. So it could be daily, except Sunday. So 6 times a week, pwedeng mangyari yon. But this time, ang change ni Atomy is, whatever you buy in your account can be added to the smaller leg. So kung dati, to get 2,475, kung first time ka bago ka nagsisimula, you have to generate up to 900,000 points. 300, 300, 300. 900,000 points. This time, hindi ko pa sigurado kung kailangang may kaunting doon sa kanan. But this time, as long as meron kang 10,000 minimum sa iyong account, 300,000 points sa left. And then kung the rest is, kung kahit 10,000 lang sa kanan, then the rest nag-add ka ng 290 sa account mo, you still get the commission. So yung effort mo na 900,000 points last time, ngayon parang 610,000 points lang yung effort mo. And then you still get the commission. I'm blown away. Pero alam ko sa iba, medyo advanced kasi yung iba hindi pa nga alam kung paano mag-commission, no? Pero this is actually great news. Hindi ko na alam kung paano ma-explain na, lahat na lang ibinigay ni Atom. Imagine. So, this time, kahit, one advantage of this is, even if I only know 4 leaders, if I only knew 2 members on the left side, 2 members on the right side, leader, kahit hindi ko alam ang password nung nasa dulo, kung yung leader na yon, dun nabigay yung points, it would also go to whatever smaller leg. Parang hindi ko natatanungin na, oy, saan ka kulang ng points? Sa left ba o sa right? Saan ko ilalagay? Ibigay ko sa kanya, bahala na yung system. Ilalagay pa rin sa smaller leg niya. So how amazing is that? Very, 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 very grateful talaga. Thank you, Atomy. Very generous talaga si Atomy. So we will discuss this in the future. Alam ko sobrang daming tanong kasi sa Atomy Philippines kanina, ko 19 yata na FAQs. But don't worry, the guide will be posted sa website. But this is great news for everyone. So leaders, hindi na kayo may expire. We can actually buy as long as a minimum of 10,000 point ang accumulation sa inyong account, and then it would flash out at the same time na nag-flash out. So also, you have to take note kung ilan yung binibili, kung anong date binibili, kasi it would flash out at the same time na mag-flash out yung inyong general commission. I mean yung PV during the general commission. Okay, another great news, we will have the personal platform. Okay, we will have the personal platform. Ano yung personal platform? There were talks in the past about this personal platform app. So, whether you're a member, okay, paano ko ba i-phrase to? Usually, you cannot buy the Atomy products or you cannot access the Atomy shop kung wala kang access, di ba? You will not enjoy the member's price kung wala kang access. With the feature ng ating website, you can share an easy purchase link. They can buy that products. Pero as an owner of this business, you can create your own curated, well-curated online shopping mall. Personal platform, but you can customize. You can create your own catalog. You can create your own beauty care sets. Yung group of products. Halimbawa, let's say, health supplement. Let's say, tindahan ni Ralyn, ang panangalan ko ha. Pero Atom ito ha. Tindahan ni Ralyn. And then, best supplements or favorite supplements, favorite beauty products, or let's say, detox products. You can group it like that. And then, it will be launching actually tomorrow because of the change. So, anong value na itong personal app? Okay. Are you ready? Kung anong value? What's the value of the personal platform? Okay, what's the value? Imagine someone na ayaw mag-sign, but you have this link, and you have the online shopping mall. Even if they don't want to sign, once they purchase, using those links, the points will accumulate to you, and those points will be given sa inyong small leg or right leg. Okay? Kung saan man mahina yung leg mo, to accumulate. Okay? So, we will discuss this. I can start discussing this tomorrow sa ating Wednesday Wellness. Sa mga gusto mag-join, please join Zoom. I'm not discussing this via Facebook Live kasi bagong-bago. I bet there would be a lot of errors. Not a lot of errors. I mean, errors in my presentation. So, yan yung isang great news. So, I encourage you to join the rest of the meeting. Atomy America will have our meeting at 2 p.m. So, first is build. Paano nga ba mag-build? Okay, Atomy. In Atomy, we have to build first. You don't need talent, experience, or big capital kagaya ng BTS, but you have to start in Atomy. Paano? Buy what you need from the online shopping mall. Once you buy it, of course, use the product. And then explore more products to try sa ating online shopping mall. And then once you like and love the products, share the products and the experience to others. We follow the honesty and goodness strategy. Ganun lang kasimple. You are using these products anyway. It's a daily essential products. Okay? Now, you need to make better choices. Kung maganda para sa'yo, continue doing it. This is a book not part of the Atomy, but this is a household gold book na may, sabi niya, how to convert household expenses into household income and own your life in the process. Same concept, same in Atomy. Because in Atomy, when you buy the products, you generate personal point value. When you share products, when you activate consumers, you give them access, they will earn their own personal point value, but you earn a group point value. So ang PV sa Atomy equals money. That's why convert your household expenses into gold. Kasi kahit walang Atomy, I bet you still have the household expenses. The difference is, in Atomy, all these products can be converted into points or group points that will generate your household income up to the 3rd generation. So, we have beauty products. Okay. So, nakikita nyo sa screen, anong products ang hindi mo pa ginagamit dyan? Okay, tingnan. 1, 2, 3. Lahat yan, except yung panlalaki, itong All-in-One 3 set, hindi ko pa nagamit yan. But, I've seen it with my husband, okay? Pero lahat ito, nagamit ko na, okay? We have personal category. Toothbrush, toothpaste, hand soap. Okay, tingnan sa screen. Aside from that, we have a lot of products online. But looking at the picture, anong product dyan ang hindi mo pa nagagamit? Okay, all of those products, meron ako. Okay, nagamit ko na yan. And of course, in this picture, my favorite is the hand therapy. Kasi magaspang ang kamay ko. So, on a daily basis, kahit lumalabas lang ako, papunta sa mall, manunood ng sine, pupunta sa kaibigan, pupunta sa party, I always have this hand therapy sa aking bag. Okay, toothbrush, of course, on a daily basis. Twice a day nagtutoothbrush. Okay, dati 3 times a day ako nagtutoothbrush. Nung may Atomy na, twice a day na lang kasi laging fresh yung sa umaga na lang at saka sa gabi. Of course, lahat yan maganda. We also have the living category. Okay, looking at these products, aling product ang wala ka pa? Okay. Yung ating scrub na palitan na ng kulay black, antimicrobial din pareho. But all of this, I have that. Okay? Yung fabric detergent, we have a different packaging. Pero yan. Okay. And then of course, we have food. Ayan. Ramen, coffee. Of course, the rest, hindi pa available dito sa Atomy Philippines. But we have different food na makikita sa ating website. And then of course, we have the health functional food supplements. Anong tinitake mo ngayon? Vitamins. Synthetic ba ang vitamins mo? Maybe it's time for you to check kung anong functional food supplements meron si Atomy. So, kung ano mang problema mo sa parte ng katawan mo, look and see. Baka meron si Atomy na pwedeng ipalit sa iyong supplements. Okay? Of course, we have our Himuhim, our flagship product. The best supplement. I call it my Miracle Functional Food Supplement. Yan. So, try it if you have not. Another sa ating checklist is embrace the company motto. Cherish the spirit, create the vision, follow the faith, serve in humility. Okay? And then if you're new, you can start creating your list. Huwag mag-judge. Include everyone. Kahit hindi mo alam kung gagawing business or consumer lang, make sure you include everyone. List at least 100 names na prospect. Family, friends, co-workers, FB friends, tingnan ang phone kung ilang thousand ang member mo or followers mo. Friends, yan. I-share lang, okay? Sinasabi ko na sa inyo, maraming magre-reject, but it's okay. They'll come back to you. Have a one-on-one session with your sponsor. Paano? How to sign up a new member, how to build a binary team. Follow the strategies, okay? Hindi pwedeng you are only building your right side. Always build your left first and then right. Take care of both legs. Maraming strategies, and let's try to listen to our sponsor and have a consultation. Royal Master Yu Suk-sung is coming here in Baltimore, so I'm excited. She lives in North Carolina, but she's coming here in Baltimore. She will be attending the one-day seminar in Maryland. So me and SM Ping will be joining her. Of course, she's our sponsor. We invited her to teach us and to teach our consumers about Himuhim and the business. So hopefully may ma-inspire kami na consumer to do it as a business or to be more as an auto consumer. So we'll see. Bakit kailangan mag-attend ng Zoom meeting at saka training? It's always an opportunity for us to learn more about the products kasi maririnig niyo yung mga experiences ng iba. It's an opportunity for us to ask questions, clarify doubts and misconceptions, get updates. Sobrang daming updates. Hindi na nga ako sa different countries na lang, sobrang daming updates. I can't even catch up. So if you're from another country and you have news about that particular country, when you join Zoom, please share. Be generous in sharing all the information sa ating website. Be part of the Global Atomy Pinoy family and the Global Atomy family. It's our way of recharging. Okay? Kasi sa Atomy, para tayong rice cooker. Of course, may mga lalo na kapag na-reject or walang sales, yan, medyo nakaka-down, di ba? Nakakapanghina. But if you join Atomy, ma-recharge ka na naman. Ay, gayarin ko nga yung si Ma'am Imelda, nakaka-inspire. But ang bilis-bilis niya mag-register. Kailangan gayanin ko siya. O, di ba? Let's share our testimonies about the product. And then this is a way for you to learn and lead. And then set as a good example. Mahirap mag-invite, lalo na kung you yourself is not doing it. How can you invite somebody to attend a meeting kung ikaw as a sponsor, hindi ka nga nag-a-attend ng meeting? Okay. So, nung first year ko, I use the product 100%. I attend the meeting 100%. Hindi pa ako nagko-commission nun. Sabi nila, eventually I'll be successful. And then I did. Okay? So be part of our growing Atomy family. Ayan. Our Marinduque Global Center, of course, may schedule tayo aside from the Atomy Philippines schedule and the USA America schedule. We have our own schedule. Ayan, lahok-lahok na. And then, build new partners. Ay, nasabi ko na yan kanina. We have an online academy. Bakit online academy? Kasi available sa inyong app. Like what I've said, we have Channel Atomy. Channel Atomy, ch.atomy.com/ph or /US. Each country have their own Channel Atomy. And then sa YouTube, each country have their own YouTube. So, alamin, okay? I-follow kung sino yung nakakapag-inspire, nakaka-relate kayo. Okay? Para mas madali. When I was, in the beginning, nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, redundant, no? Nung hindi pa ako masyadong nag-a-attend ng Zoom, I was listening to Coach Ju sa YouTube. Doon ko natutunan yung Auto Sales Master. Although mali yung pagkakaintindi ko. Buti na lang may Star Master Teresa na nagturo sa akin kung paano maging Sales Master. Because watching and listening sa YouTube, kung may mga doubts, parang, paano nangyari yun? Yung pala, yung system natin, every 24-hour nagka-count. Nung akala ko, ang sales sa mastership, pag 700,000 points ka, and then akala ko maghihintay siya ng 700, hindi pala. Each time na makareach ng 300,000 points yung smaller leg, magko-commission ka. Kaya kapag ka 700 yung isa, then 300,000 yung isang leg, commission mo is $60 pa rin or 2,475. So, depende sa country, Sa Canada, it's 60. In US, it's 50. Sa Philippines, it's 2,475. So, Coach Ju, if you're not following him, make sure you follow him. He has a lot of short reels. One time, i-announce niya yung link. And then, most of the time, laging puno yung kanyang Zoom. So, kung 500 yung max ng kanyang Zoom, kailangan maaga kayo mag-log in para maka-join. So, the last time he spoke here, he said, lahat tayo CEO sa marketing plan. You are a consumer, you also are an earner, and you are the owner of this business. Atomy works and it will work, and we know it's 100% going to work for you because of the point value. And then do sa presentation niya, he said, do the business, whatever desires you have, we get more than what we deserve, which is true. Kasi the daily essentials that we're using are consumption. So it's a consumption business, but then Atomy is very generous kasi we get the money out of the consumptions that we have. So that's why I love shopping in Atomy. So sa beginners, anong mga dapat matutunan? Basics of Atomy, member to consumer, mobile app, online tools, how to become an auto consumer, road to become an agent, paano mag-drive as an agent, paano mag-commission, learn about the company motto. Of course, write your life scenario. Okay? Show the marketing plan kung hindi pa alam. Yan ang least favorite ko, to explain the marketing plan. Parang hirap na hirap ako. Pero in my mind, kaya ko siya i-compute. Pero nahihirapan po ako mag-explain ng marketing plans. Kaya manood kayo ng ibang marketing plan kung hindi nyo maintindihan masyado sa akin. But I know how to compute. I know how to do the math kung paano kumita kay Atomy. Okay? Independent business owner. This is your business. It's not your sponsor business. But be grateful if you have a very generous sponsor. But still, if you are new, you cannot complain, my sponsor is not helping me. Well, this is your business. Your sponsor might be struggling as well and working on the weak side or weak leg. So please, this is your business. Do it as your business, okay? We have the 8 steps to success. We have 8 core daily checklist. Maghanap ng videos kung paano matutunan yan. We have the Journey to Sales Mastership, Auto Sales Masterclass. There's a replay, a lot of replay. Atomy Vision, especially ng mga Crown Masters and Imperial Masters. And then Road to Success. Okay? Other important milestone, as a beginner, na kailangan yung i-take down para in the future, 5 years from now or 3 years from now, you can say your own story. Okay? Kailan kayo nag-register? Kailan kayo nakamit ng 10,000 personal point value? Kasi yung time na sales rep ka na. Kailan ka naging agent? That means you have 300,000 points in your account. Those are the milestones na kailangan i-celebrate. Celebrate it with your team. If you have a new member, congratulate them. Inspire them. Congratulations, you're now an agent. First time nila magkaroon ng 300,000 points sa left, and now they're working on the right side. First time na magkaroon ng 300,000 points sa right side, that means they get the commission. We call it cycle sa ating Atomy family. We have the first cycle of cash rewards, yung commission, cashback, or pairing. And kailan ka naging sales master. And then, and beyond. Because you will tell your story in the future. So roadmap to success, you have to follow the Atomy system. You have to write your life scenario, follow the 8 steps to success, do your 8 core checklists. Writing the life scenario is the most powerful tool that we have. And meron kayong access niyan sa ating website. Yung 8 steps, yung step 1 and 2, setting a goal and commitment, you must do it on your own. The rest, yung listing up, 3, 4, 5, 6, hanggang 8, pwede kang tulungan ni sponsor. But the first step and second step, you must do it yourself. Then do the 8 core checklist daily. You should always reflect and review your progress on how you are creating your daily good habits. Okay? And yung 8 core checklist, sabi ni Chairman, if you're not doing this, you are not doing the business. So yun yung S natin sa ating BTS. So we have build, we have the training, and then S is how to succeed. So success in everyone is different, or success is different for everyone. Maybe for you, it's extra income. Maybe for others, it's time for family or time with family. Maybe it's freedom from stress. In Atomy, success is possible, but only when you stay consistent. When you take action, especially if you focus, if you repeat these small steps and never give up. I've been here in Atomy in the last 5 years. That's not because it's easy, but it's easier now, okay? Not because it's easy, but because I saw the vision of Atomy. Customer success beyond satisfaction. We will be number 1 in the future, and we will be a global distribution hub. There were times that I'm also tired. There were times that I also doubt if I can do it, but I stayed. I followed my sponsors, and today I stand here not as someone perfect, but as someone committed to serve, someone committed to use the product, someone committed to share and serve. So if you have a dream to retire early and to help your family, I want you to know that I will walk with you, hand in hand. I will pull you, I will push you. And let's keep it simple. If you are new, and this is your first time hearing this, I encourage you to register. I encourage you to try the products, use the products. Once you love them, attend meetings, learn and train, plug into the system. If you are a member and have been a member, bring one person next time. Share one story. Share your experience. So open your store. Open your mouth. The world may be uncertain, but your future doesn't have to be. Because in this community, with the Tuesday Atomy, with Marinduque Global Center, of course, you will not be alone. So let's build, let's train, let's succeed together, and let's grow together, because in the future, we can go to Korea. So before we end, let me share this. Meron isang babae. She was working long hours, overtime, laging pagod. She wanted to help her family, but sometimes hindi rin niya alam kung paano tutulong sa pamilya. Especially kung overseas Filipino worker, di ba? She started with something small, just using the products, attending meetings. At first, hindi nagko-commission. Nothing changed, but she did not quit. One day she realized her mindset changed, her confidence grew, her confidence grew, and her income started coming. Not because she was the smartest, but because she stayed, and that woman could be you. That man, kung lalaki, could be you. So, keep using and sharing Atomy. Oops, sorry, nag-jump. Keep using and sharing Atomy. Own this billion-dollar business. R is reach for your dreams, your goals and your dreams. Embrace the company motto and act now, because Atomy is the answer. So I would like to invite everyone again to unmute your mic and let's recite the company motto. If you have gone this far, please comment Korea. Sa lahat ng nanonood sa website, please comment Korea. Thank you all for watching sa Abat. Korea! Okay.
Korea.
Company motto. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Cherish spirit, create the vision, faith, humility.
Yan, maraming salamat po sa noon sa ating Facebook Live. We'll proceed with our second part. Thank you all. I love you all. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
No, hindi pa tayo. Let me just stop recording. Okay.